Welcome to Shisha Study. Today we discuss about top 50 geography questions. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. First question. Sundari tree is found in. Answer is option A, mangrove forest. Important points. Sundari trees are found in Sundarban Delta in West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar. Sundarban Delta. Next question. Asia's largest freshwater lake, Ular Lake, is located in which state? Answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Option D, correct answer. Important points. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. The lake was called Mahapadmasar in ancient times. It is located in the Bandipur district of Jammu and Kashmir. Bandipur district of Jammu and Kashmir. Dash is the origin of the river Narmada. Answer is option C, Amarkantak Range, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, correct answer. Important points. Narmada and Tapi rivers flow to the west. It means west flowing rivers. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the river Narmada. The river is known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Which among the following lakes is a saltwater lake? Answer is option A, Sambar Lake, located in Rajasthan. Important points. There are total 6 saltwater lakes in India. India's largest inland saline water lake, Sambar Lake, located in Rajasthan. Important question. Saline water lake, Sambar Lake, located in Rajasthan. Chilka Lake, located in Odisha, the largest saltwater lake in India. Total 6 saltwater lake in India. Chilka Lake, located Odisha, the largest saltwater lake in India. Next question. Which among the following is India's longest peninsular river? Answer is option C, Godavari. It is the oldest river in India. The Godavari River rises from Triambakeshwara in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. It is also known as the Ganga of South India. Dams on the Godavari River are Polavarman Dam, located in Andhra Pradesh; Pochampa Dam, located in Telangana. Polavaram Dam, Pochampa Dam. Next question. Musi and Bhima are tributaries of Dash River. Musi and Bhima. Answer is option D, Krishna River. Important points. The Krishna River is an east-flowing river that originates in Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Left bank tributaries of Krishna are Bhima, Dindi, Paleru, and Musi. Right bank tributaries are Koyana, Panchganga, Dudganga, Venna, Malaprabha. Next question. Baglihar Dam is constructed on which river? Answer is option B, Chenab River. Baglihar Dam. Important point. Baglihar Dam is located in Jammu and Kashmir state at Chenab River. Jammu and Kashmir state at Chenab River. Next question. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is located in. Answer is option B, Assam, on the bank of river Brahmaputra. Umananda is the smallest inhabited river island in the world. located in Guwahati, Assam. Important points. Majuli is the largest river island in the Brahmaputra River, Assam, India. On September 2, it was declared the largest river island in the world. Umananda is the smallest river island in the world. Which of the following states consume the highest quantity of fertilizers in India? Answer is option B, Punjab. Fertilizers are composed of three elements. One is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Alamatti Dam is located in which state? Answer is option A, Karnataka state. It is a hydroelectric project situated in the Bagalkote district, North Karnataka. Alamatti Dam is a dam project on the Krishna River. The Krishna River rises from the Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Next question. The largest percentage of forest area in India is in which of the following regions? Answer is option D, Peninsular Plateau. Option D, correct answer. The Diffu Pass is located on which border line? Answer is option C, McMahon line. The boundary line between India and China is called McMahon line. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is called Radcliffe line. Important points. Diffu Pass is in Arunachal Pradesh. It is located around the area of disputed tri-point border of India, Myanmar and China and is a mountain pass. It lies on the McMahon line. Disputed tri-point border of India, Myanmar and China. Next question. The river Kaveri flows from dash to dash. Answer is option C, Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following rivers is not the tributary of Ganga? Answer is option A, Indravati. Indravati is the tributary of Godavari river. Yellow revolution is associated with the production of. Answer is option D, oil seeds. Option D, correct answer. Important points. Round revolution related to potato. Green revolution related to food grains. White revolution related to milk production. Blue revolution related to fish production. Red revolution related to meat or tomato production. Golden fiber revolution related to jute production. And silver revolution related to egg. And black revolution related to petrol products. Next question. The Karakoram Pass links dash and dash. Answer is option C, China and India. Karakoram Pass. Next question. The natural habitat of rhinoceros in India is. Answer is option C, Kaziranga. Kaziranga National Park located in Assam state. It is famous for one horn rhinoceros. India shares longest international boundary with which country? Answer is option A, Bangladesh. Option A, correct answer. Important points. Bangladesh and India share a 4096 km long international border, the fifth longest land border in the world. Fifth longest land border in the world. Next question. Indravati, Pranahita, and Shabari are important tributaries of which of these rivers? Answer is option D, Godavari. Panna National Park is situated in which of the following Indian state or UT? Answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Panna National Park. Madhya Pradesh National Parks, Bandhavgarh National Park, Kanna National Park, Madhav National Park, Panna National Park, Pench National Park, Sanjay National Park, Satpur National Park, Kuno National Park, and Vanvihar National Park. The study of lakes is called, answer is option A, limnology, and study of water is called hydrology. Option A, correct answer. Pomologist studies and cultivates fruit. Climatology, the study of the climate. Heliology, the study of the sun. Hydrology, the study of water. Lithology, the study of rocks. The study of the weather, it is called meteorology. Next question. Sargasso Sea is located in, answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. Sargasso Sea. Important points. The Sargasso Sea is found in the center of the Atlantic Ocean. Next question. Who coined the word geography? Answer is option B, Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is called the father of geography. Option B, correct answer. Next question. Luni River is in, answer is option B, Rajasthan. Luni River, Rajasthan. It originates Naga Hills of Aravali Ranges near Pushkar Valley in Ajmer district. It is also known as Sagarmati. Originate Naga Hills. Shifting cultivation is also known as dash in northeast India. Answer is option C, Jum. Important points. Jara and Irka in southern states. Podu in Andhra Pradesh. Kumari in Western Ghats of Kerala. Kaman in Odisha. Next question. Which of the following star is nearest to the Sun? Answer is option A, Proxima Centauri. Option A, correct answer. Proxima Centauri is about 4.22 light year from Earth. Alpha Centauri is the second closest star, is 4.3 light year away from the Earth. First one is Proxima Centauri and second one is Alpha Centauri. This is 4.22 light year from the Earth and this is 4.3 light year from the Earth. Next question. Bandipur Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Answer is option D, Karnataka. Important points. Bandipur National Park established in 1974 as a tiger reserve under the Project Tiger in Karnataka. Project Tiger was launched in 1973. Project Elephant was launched in 1992. Next question. The Nanda Devi peak is located in dash. Answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Important points. It is the 23rd highest peak in the world. It was also the highest mountain in India until 1975. Highest mountain in India until 1975. It is part of the Kumaon Himalayas and is located in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Kumaon Himalayas located in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Next question. Gondwana series is very rich in which of the following minerals? Answer is option A, coal. Coal is called black diamond. Jharkhand has the highest coal reserve in India. Jharkhand. Jharkhand state. Next question. Ladakh range is situated between. Answer is option A, Karakoram and Jaskar range. Option A correct answer. This range is around 370 km long. 370 km. Stoke Kangri is the highest peak in the region. Next question. The river basin which is called Roar of India is. Answer is option A, Damodar. Damodar river is called Sorrow of West Bengal. Kosi river called Sorrow of Bihar. The source of the Damodar river is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The first dam was built on the Barakar River, which is a tributary of the Damodar River. Barakar River, tributary of the Damodar River. Next question. Which of the following river is known as Sorrow of Bihar or River of Sorrow in India? Answer is option D, Kosi River, located in Bihar state. Sorrow of Bihar or River of Sorrow. The Kosi River joins Ganga in the Katiyar district of Bihar. The Kosi River is also known as Saptakosi because of its 7 tributaries. The main tributaries of the Kosi River are Tamor River, Arun River, Sankosi, Tamakosi River and Liku Kola. Next question. Which among the following national highways of India is the longest? Answer is option D, NH 44. Important points. NH 44, old name is NH 7, Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Srinagar located in Jammu and Kashmir, Kanyakumari located in Tamil Nadu. NH 48, old name is NH 8, Delhi to Chennai. NH 19, old name is NH 20, Delhi to Kolkata. Next question. The city of Nasik is situated on the bank of which river in India? Answer is option B, Godavari river. Option B correct answer. Important points. Agra, bank of Yamuna river, located in Uttar Pradesh. Ahmedabad, Sabarmati river, Gujarat state. Ayodhya, Sarayu river, Uttar Pradesh. Badrinath, Alakananda river, Uttarakhand. Cuttack, Mahanadi, located in Odisha. Next question. The state having a largest area of forest cover in India is. Answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. In India, Madhya Pradesh is number 1 largest forest cover in India. First place is Madhya Pradesh, second Arunachal Pradesh, third Chhattisgarh, fourth Odisha and fifth Maharashtra. Important. First Madhya Pradesh, second Arunachal Pradesh, third Chhattisgarh, fourth Odisha, fifth Maharashtra. Next question. The India's highest annual rainfall is reported at. Answer is option C, Mausiram, Meghalaya. Mausiram receive nearly 10,000 millimeter of rain in an average year. Mausiram is located in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. The driest place in India is Jaisalmer. Next question. The Salal project is on the river. Answer is option A, Chenab River. It is located in the Riyasi district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Capacity 690 megawatt. It was the first hydropower project built by India in Jammu Kashmir under the Indus Water. Indus Water. Next question. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast which state in India? Answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Where is Tattekad Bird Sanctuary located? Answer is option A, Kerala. Top bird sanctuaries in Kerala are Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary, Tattekad Bird Sanctuary, Pati Ramanal Bird Sanctuary, Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary, and Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary. Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary. Next question. Egypt share a border with? Answer is option A, Libya. Egypt share a border with Libya. Which Indian state borders Nepal, Bhutan and China with three countries? Answer is option D, Sikkim state. Nepal, Bhutan and China. Sikkim is a northeast state of India that share its border with three countries Nepal, Bhutan and China. Meghalaya shares its border with Bangladesh. Meghalaya border with Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. West Bengal is a state in east of India and share its border with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. West Bengal, three countries Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a state in the northeast of India and share its border with Myanmar, China and Bhutan. Three countries. Next question. Mikir Hills is located in which state? Mikir Hills. Answer is option B, Assam. Which state is known as the Tiger State? Because highest number of tigers. Answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh was known as the Tiger State of India as it had the highest number of tigers. Largest sugarcane growing state is? Answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh or UP. Highest number of rice production state is West Bengal, wheat Uttar Pradesh, coffee Karnataka, tea production state is Assam. The largest sugarcane producing state of India is Uttar Pradesh or UP. Brazil is the world's largest sugar producer. Second place India. First place is Brazil. Second place is India. Study of the universe is known as? Answer is option B, cosmology. Option B, correct answer. Next question. Chambal River is a tributary of? Answer is option B, Jamuna River. Total length 965 km and major tributaries are Shipra, Kalisin, Parvati, Bansa, Nawaz, Quarry, Sindh, etc. Cities on its bank Dar, Shiopur, Mou, Morena and Ratlam. Next question. Which city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Answer is option B, Kochi, located in Kerala state. It is also known as Queen of the Arabian Sea. Kochi was an important spicy trading center on the west coast of India. Spicy trading center. Next question. Which city is known as Blue City? Answer is option B, Jodhpur. Jodhpur is located on Rajasthan state. Jaipur, it is also known as Pink City of India. Udaipur, also known as White City of India. Udaipur, White City of India. Jaipur, Pink City of India. Jodhpur, Blue City of India. All these cities are located in Rajasthan state. It is called Blue City because houses are painted in blue color in the old city area. Jodhpur is situated in Rajasthan state. Jodhpur is in Thar Desert area of the western part of the country. Thar Desert, it is largest desert in India and highest number of desert present in Rajasthan. Next question. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? Answer is option C, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is the African continent's highest peak at 5,895 meter. In feet 19,340 feet. It is also called a stratovolcano. Stratovolcano. Next question. Which of the following countries is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Answer is option B, Brazil. Brazil is the top coffee producing country. Vietnam is the second largest coffee producer. Santos Port in Brazil is also known as a coffee port. Santos Port, coffee port. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.